Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. We will present to you about annuity, trade and cash discount. My name is Nur Shazana binti Yahaya and my ID matrix is 2022480442. So I'm going to explain about annuity. What is an annuity? Annuity is a sequence or series of predict payment usually equal made at equal intervals of time. Example of annuity in real life is insurance policy and installment payments.
Hi, my name is Anisofia binti Muhammad Syuki. My matric number is 2022859954 and I'm going to explain about future value. The future value of annuity is a sum of all the future values of the periodic payments. The formula of future value is S equal R bracket 1 plus I power of n minus 1 divide I, which is S equals to future value, R equals to periodic payment, I equals to interest rate per payment, n equals to term of investment. Next, I'm going to explain about present value. The present value of the annuity is the sum of all the present values of the periodic payment. Present value must be at the beginning period of an annuity. The formula of present value is A equals R bracket 1 minus bracket 1 plus I bracket power of negative n divide I, which is A equals to present value, R equals to periodic payment, I equals to interest rate per payment, n equals to term of investment.
My name is Tina Kairina binti Mazlan. My matric number is 2022479704. Question 1 for annuity is house at Ipoh has increased a lot lately. Trisha wants to buy a house for her family. So Trisha has made a lot of survey and find a house price at 216,000 ringgit. Trisha has a problem that she don't have enough money, so she decided to make a loan with a bank and receive 3.5% that compounded monthly. The bank had an agreement that Trisha must settle the loan in 25 years. A. Find the amount of monthly payment. For this question, we use present value formula. A equal to R in bracket 1 minus open bracket 1 plus I close bracket power of negative n divide I. For A, we use 216,000. I, we use 0.035 divide 12. For n, we use 12 multiply 25. Now, we insert all the information into the formula. This question wants us to find what is R. R is monthly payment. So, the answer for this question is 1,301 ringgit 62 cents. So, every month, Trisha need to pay 1,301 ringgit 62 cents at the bank. Next, question 1b. Trisha failed to make her first 5 payments. How much should she pay on 6 payments including the arrears? For this question, we use future value formula. S equal to R in bracket open bracket 1 plus I close bracket power of n minus 1 divide by I. For I, we use 1,301 ringgit and 62 cents. I, we use 0.035 divide 12 and 12 multiply 6 divide 2. Next, we insert all the information given into the formula. So, the answer for this question is 7,866 ringgit and 89 cents.
My name is Fatih Numaira binti Muhammad Sakri. My ID number is 2022487164. Question 2. Felicia bought a BMW car for 250,000 ringgit Malaysian. She made 9% down payment and financed the balance for 30 years. The interest rate charged was 5.5% compounded monthly. So, what is the amount that Felicia has to make a down payment and the total interest charged? So, in these questions, we use this particular formula to solve this case. So, first thing first, 9% multiply 250,000 equals to 22,500. And then, 250,000 minus 22,500 equals to 227,500 ringgit Malaysian. Then we put all the information that has been given in the formula, which make R equals to 2,044 ringgit Malaysia 49 cents. In order to find total interest charged, we use formula I equals to NR minus A. It will be 91,440 ringgit Malaysia 44.9 cents. So this is how we solve this question. I'm going to explain about trade and cash discount. So what is trade and cash discount? Trade discount is the reduction in price offered from the list price to retailer or a customer on the sale of goods. Retailers usually pay for goods at prices lower than the list prices, which makes Cash discount is additional discount offered to retailers as a reward for early payment on invoice or bills. Next, there are three types of formula for trade discount, which are net price, amount of trade discount, and trade discount. For net price formula, it would be net price equals to L in bracket 1 minus R. The second one is amount of trade discount. So TD equals list price multiplied trade discount rate. So in short, it would be TD equals to L multiply T. Last but not least is trade discount. TD equals to list price minus net price. So it would be TD equals L multiply NP.
Next, I will explain about chain discount. Chain discount is a series of trade discount. Chain discount must calculate each discount individually on the new net price from the previous discount. For example, a wholesaler may offer trade discount of 15%, 10%, and 2%. Chain discount have two formula. First is net price, NP equal to L in bracket 1 minus R1 multiply 1 minus R2 multiply 1 minus R3. Next is single discount equivalent known as SETR. The formula is R equal to 1 minus in bracket 1 minus R1 multiply 1 minus R2 multiply 1 minus R3.
Question 1. Azia received an invoice date 20 January 2020 for the furniture that she just bought for her new apartment. The price of the trade discount is 6%, 12%, and 3%, and including taxi cost of 600 is 8,940. Find the real price of the furniture. So for this question, we will use formula NP equal L in bracket 1 minus R1 multiply 1 minus R2 multiply 1 minus R3. RM 8,940 equal to L in bracket 1 minus 0.06 multiply 1 minus 0.12 multiply 1 minus 0.03. Then we will settle all the amount to get L. Lastly, we will get final answer is RM 10,541 and 80 cents for L.
Next, question 2. Kelantan had significant flooding in 2022. This has caused a great deal of harm. HIFO decided to help out flood victims by purchasing necessity. On 4 November 2022, an invoice for purchase of 150 blankets 35 each at RM and 200 sleeping bags at RM 45 each was received by HIFO. The retailer was offering trade discount at 8% and 4% with cash discount term of 8% within 10 days and 4% within 15 days and net 13. Find A. The single discount rate equivalent to the trade discount given. B. The amount that HIFO has to pay if the payment was made on 10 November 2022. For question A, we will use formula SETR, which is SETR equal 1 minus bracket 1 minus R1 multiple 1 minus R2 bracket. So the R1 is 8% and R2 is 4%. So R equal 1 minus bracket 1 minus 0.08 multiple 1 minus 0.04 bracket. And we will get 0.1168, and we need to multiply the 0.1168 with 100%, and the answer for R is 11.68%. Next, question B. The amount that HIFO has to pay if the payment was made on 10 November 2022. In this question, we will use formula NP equal L bracket 1 minus R1 multiple 1 minus R2 bracket. Firstly, we need to calculate the amount of blanket, which is 150 multiple 35 equal RM 5,250, and sleeping bag, which is 200 multiple 45 equal RM 19, and then we need to plus both of the item and we will get RM 40,250. And this amount will be our list price. Then equal RM 14,250 bracket 1 minus 0.08 multiply 1 minus 0.04 bracket, and we will get RM 12,585.6. Then since HIFO made a payment on 10 November 2022, so she will get a trade discount which is 8%. So RM 12,585.6 multiple 8%, and we will get RM 1,006.848. Then RM 12,585.6 minus 1,006.848, then we will get the final answer is RM 11,588.75 cents.